Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I try my best to teach you how to trade digital currency, protect your buying power, and basically make money. I know I've been away for a few and I've been really busy. Also, it's kind of like a lot to deal with, taking care of the people on the Discord and my Patreons. I've been working on a lot, but at the same time, I can't let my YouTubers down. And today I have a really great video for you guys, and I have 4 coins to keep an eye on. But before, I want to look at the market and explain to you guys a little bit about what's been happening. But if you guys do go on my YouTube channel, I highly recommend you guys check out some of my old videos, especially this one, Bitcoin whale manipulation. This one is one that you definitely need to check out. I know not a lot of people have check it out, but this one talks about exactly what just recently happened. And some of my price updates too, tells you, like, I hope you guys bought this dip. And let's get a little bit into the chart. So as you can see, Bitcoin's back over 50,000 and 800. Ethereum is lagging behind. Polkadot, BNB, XRP are a little in the red. Cardano's in major green. We're going to talk about that today, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm expecting going forward in the coming weeks. Okay, here we have a chart of Bitcoin on the 1 hour, and there's not much I can tell you guys, but the fact that you probably should have been buying this dip. All this right here was about like a 20 something percent dip, and I always tell you guys, like, if you didn't sell, this is 20%, 22% dip. If you didn't sell, like if you didn't have a stop loss, like for example, like this is where a good spot to put a stop loss is. Like you could do a trend line like this, and as you can see, as soon as it broke down from that trend line, that's when we started going down. And that's a great place to basically set a stop loss, because you can see, especially under here, that was the last bottom. Once we break that, you know we're going lower. But if you didn't do that, um, and a lot of your altcoins got hit, don't sell when it's here. This is how whales get you. They make you think that Bitcoin's dead, the price of everything's dead, it's not going to recover. And then it's this whole psychological thing that basically causes you to sell, be like, hey, I can't risk it. This is another thing, like don't invest money that you need tomorrow, because the thought process when you do so is like, oh my God, but I needed this money, now I just lost it, I have to sell it to take my profits. Well, you didn't make no profit, you literally just sold the bottom, and you just lost a lot of your money. So when this happens, like one strategy I can tell you guys is, if you missed the first fall, the second like round up is always a bull trap. Okay, it's always, because Bitcoin never recovers that quickly. Okay, once we see a big dip, expect like a bull trap. That's what a bull trap. It makes you think that we're recovering ASAP, and then you get another one under AMA. So this trend line, guys, which I've been showing you guys for a very long time, this has been a darling to look at. And it's, you can see every time, you can look at my past video, I've told you guys this, every time we've bounced back on here, this trend, this line actually is our bull support, in my opinion. And as you can see, we went in there multiple times, creating some small double bottoms in there, and then the price is now reversing up. So let me put it on a different have different indicators on here. So your fears are gone now in a bit, because what we're seeing is right here on the MACD, we did see the moving averages cross. When the blue line crossed, this is tends to mean like we're going back on our bullish phase. And here's another thing, guys. You guys need to have like the RSI on your chart, because every time, like, look, Bitcoin was oversold here, and this is the same thing, because I knew I made a video when Bitcoin was going down in the past over here, and I told you guys here, if you look, every time Bitcoin gets oversold, every time Bitcoin gets oversold, it pumps, it recovers. Like people know, hey, this is oversold. They know the value of Bitcoin is going to be over 300,000, maybe by the end of this year. So that's something important to keep an eye on. So today, guys, because I've been gone for a few days, I wanted to make it up to you guys by giving you guys 3 coins, well, 4 coins that you definitely need to watch. You definitely need to watch, and you definitely need to add up to your positions right now. Obviously, my patrons already know this. If you're not a patron and you want to be, let me know. And I make it very easy for people to beginners. And if you guys can't keep track of everything, I try to let you know like what I see in the chart so you can have a heads on. The first coin, guys, the first coin that you guys need to add to your position ASAP is Cardano. Up. It's already breaking out. I gave it to my patron. I told him here, big out. So like, let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna pull up my Discord. So once you become a Patreon, and you can just, first of all, my Discord is free. You guys can join my Discord. We're creating a great community on here. When we're talking crypto, and then I tell people my opinions and stuff like that. But most importantly, some of my Patreons here is you can get some of the calls. Like, listen, this is like ADA against BTC. I'll show you this. And then I tell you exactly, like, ADA is about to explode, literally. And then when we come here, ADA is exploding. So, guys, it might be too late, but it's probably not too late because ADA, I think, is going to go to $5 and then maybe $10 or $7, which will give it a high market cap. But let's just stick at $5, okay? Cardano, you guys need to get on ASAP because Cardano has a lot of news coming out. Cardano is a competitor to Ethereum and Polkadot. They are releasing a lot in the coming week, and I believe that they have one of their things that's getting released March 1st. So you guys want to buy this as soon as you can. Another one that I wanted to bring to your attention, you've known this from my past videos. I've already explained to you why this is valuable. I've already shown you, and this is UMA. Okay, I've given a lot of you UMA since back here, and a lot of my friends made a lot of money from this UMA pump, and I'm really happy that you guys did and you guys trusted my view on this. And what now? We are seeing a falling wedge from UMA. And guys, this is a very bullish pattern, especially the fact that we've been going like sideways for that long on this falling wedge. I see UMA literally having some insane upside. But I'm gonna leave the best for last. So before we get to that, like trust me, you guys want to watch this to the end of the video. UMA, guys, is looking very juicy. If you don't have any UMA, you can get this on Voyager. And if you're using Voyager, use my code DAR79K. You will get $25 in Bitcoin. I'll get $25 in Bitcoin, and you're supporting the channel and the community. And guys, this is a gem that I'm giving you guys. UMA is focusing on derivatives. It's big. This is big money that's going to fall into this one. And it's, look at this. This falling wedge, guys, this UMA is going to go parabolic. Mark my words. I hope this video gets uploaded before this happens. All right. So another one that I want to touch on is that you guys already know that I'm bullish on. There's only going to be like one coin here that I'm going to mention, which is the one I'm going to mention last that I haven't mentioned in my channel before. And recently I've been literally telling all my patrons to accumulate it. But before we get to that, let's look at Icon. Guys, Icon is looking so freaking juicy. Not only did we correct and we literally touched on that trend line and we're bouncing back off, guys, this is this last major resistance that's been holding us to the ground. If you're looking at Icon on look at this. Look at this. This is literally one of the biggest resistance that Icon is going to face. And once we break out of that, guys, Icon to the moon. Icon to the moon. All right. Icon is a big project. It's one of the literally one of the cryptos that's being adopted by an entire nation of South Korea, and they have so much that's being implemented. They have identification. They have a passport, basically. They also have they're going to be able to, even when you're going to take the T, people are going to have to utilize the Icon blockchain for everything to track. And guys, there's so much coming out with Icon, and now Icon's getting into DeFi. So that's something to keep in mind. All right, so the last gem that I want to share with you guys today is this baby. It's called Reef, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm a little late right now to post this, but I really hope that YouTube takes a long time for my videos to upload, but I really hope that you guys get to see this real quick. So I'm going to try to make this video short so that you guys get to, you guys need to buy Reef ASAP. Reef is, let me show you guys a little bit about Reef. Guys, Reef is literally DeFi on Polkadot. And if you're a big fan of Polkadot, you need some Reef on your bags. You can get this on Binance. Reef is literally the gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation. This is very important, protocol aggregation. What it's going to do is not only is Reef multi-chain, it's going to be able to talk to Ethereum, it's going to be able to talk to Binance Smart Chain, it's going to be able to talk to Polkadot since it's built on Polkadot, Cosmos, and all these chains, but it's also going to be able to aggregate a lot of that liquidity from all these other chains to make DeFi very used. Guys, this is a major project. I know, like, I'm trying to get this video out as soon as I can so that you guys, the ones that see this first, just get on this. Do your own research, of course, but this quarter is actually very bullish for Reef because you can see Binance integration is getting released this quarter. Reef basket engine, you're going to be able to stake Reef. We're going to have a yield engine. You're going to be able to get the highest yield since it's aggregating from multiple different chains. They're going to be LP farms, and there's going to be a fiat gateway integration. I'm really excited for that. Guys, there's so much happening to Reef, and obviously, like, people are subscribed to my Patreon, had to give this first. But I also want you guys to, this is a free gem that I'm sharing with you guys, easy money. Reef, I know I can't see it on here. Let me go on CoinMarketCap so you can see the market cap of Reef, because on CoinGecko, you can't even see the market cap. That's how new and early Reef actually is. So let me show you guys. So if I'm going on here, search Reef. Guys, so Reef has a market cap of only 112 million, which is extremely low. Guys, what Reef is supposed to compete with, I can see Reef doing a 10x. All right, so you guys are very welcome for this. I hope that you guys subscribe to the channel. That's why you need to be subscribed to my channel, so that, like, when I do post the videos, these are gems that I'm sharing. You already know the performance of all the gems that I'm sharing, and this one is probably going to be one of my best gems that I'm sharing in this channel, and it's going to make a lot of us a lot of money if you get in early. So take the leap of faith, buy some Reef ASAP. We can see that this is already breaking out, and my technical on this is, look at the pattern that this follows. It does the same thing every time. We had it here, boom, falling wedge, boom, 50% gains, falling wedge, boom, 70% gain, falling wedge, boom, like this was like 113% gain. Look at this now, guys, falling wedge, boom. Like, I'm holding this till 10x. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, so this is the last gem that I have for you guys. I'm gonna try to upload this as quick as possible so that you guys can see this and get this. All right, I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and I hope you guys are being safe. If you appreciate that I take my time to bring this to you, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, share this with your family, guys, share this with your friends. If you're all making money, you'll all be happy. Like, greed is not a great thing. And like, the thing is, I'm giving out great content, and the way you can help me is click the like button and subscribing, so that YouTube, sometimes they don't want to share crypto content, and we need more people to be involved and more people to know about what I'm sharing and to create more exposure. All right, guys, I hope you guys are being safe. I hope everyone's being well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay future proof.